Assalamualaikum and hello. I'm going to continue with the next chemical test, which is what we call as iodoform test. For your information, you've learned so far about iodoform test in chapter 5, where you use the reagents and condition, which is iodine in NaO or OH minus. The purpose that you've used iodoform test in chapter 5 is to identify the alcohols that contain methyl carbinol group. So this is what you've learned so far. But actually, there is another purpose for iodoform test in this chapter 6, where you are going to use it to identify the carbonyl compounds that contain methyl ketone group. So how methyl ketone groups looks like? If you got methyl carbinol group, this is the structure for it. But for methyl ketone group is where you have C double bond O. So this is your carbonyl carbon attached to methyl, and you got another alkyl group here. So this is what we call as methyl ketone group. So the chemical properties in this part is iodoform test. So how the reaction happen? The first one, you have to make sure your reactants, you got the methyl ketone group, or another name is methyl carbonyl group. Same for both of them. So usually I will use methyl carbonyl group to make sure you understand there is a carbonyl group in the structure with methyl group attached to it. So this is what is the general structure. Reacts with iodine in NaO, you will form the same case carboxylate salt. This is the soluble salt with all of these stay as it is. But the difference is the CH3 group here is changed to O minus and A plus. So this is where your carboxylate salt form. And after that, you got plus chi, which is solid phase or arrow facing down. And the observation for this test is light yellow precipitate. Same goes if you use OH minus, so you don't have to put Na plus here because there is no Na from your reagent here. But the observation will show you the same one as before, light yellow precipitate. So how does it look like? I got a picture here for you to understand. This is how the observation for iodoform test in this reaction. Let's try one example with me. Example 10, I got two structures here. Let's go to the first structure. So you have to identify whether you got methyl carbonyl group. So as you see from here, I got this one bonded to this one. So this is my methyl carbonyl group. So I can show the positive result where the part that I circle here will be changed to O minus and A plus. So I'm going to draw my structure in another form. You can see that I got carbon bonded to double bond, and I got CH2, CH3. I'm just going to show you a different side. This one got at the right side. I'm going to change the position, but it's still the same. And at the right side, I'm going to give you the final product O minus and A plus. This is where, because you use NaOH here, so you have to put Na plus. And don't forget the final one, which is your side product plus chi. So this is what we can see as solid phase. Next one, I'm going to show you how to complete the equation for the second structure. I have this one as my carbonyl compound. So let's check it out whether it can form positive result with iodoform test. So does it has methyl carbonyl group? Yes, as you see from here. And this part is what I circle here will be changed to O minus and A plus. So I will form my final product with cyclic attached to carbon double bond O, bonded to O minus and A plus. make sure you show the charge for O minus and Na plus, and after that plus the side product which is chi triiodomethane, and I'm going to emphasize by using arrows facing down. So this is it for the equation by using two examples here. So I hope all of you understand now how to write the chemical equation for iodoform test, and please remember the difference between this chapter is by using methyl ketone group or methyl carbonyl group, but in the previous chapter you use methyl carbinol group, but both of them can show the positive result for iodoform test. This is very important for you to know how to identify these special groups. So that's all from me in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.